So how to do the setups for Find My Mobile. In your Android mobile, in your Samsung mobile, just click on the settings. Under settings, right, just scroll down. You can see these options, biometrics and security. Tap on that, and here you can see this Find My Mobile. It depends upon the different brands. For example, Samsung have given clearly all the options. So Find My Mobile, tap on that and enable it. So you can see this findmymobile.samsung.com. So this is the URL. You can locate it. And remote unlock. Your PIN, pattern or password will be securely stored by Samsung. This allows you to unlock your phone case if you forget your unlock method. It also allows you to control your last phone remotely even when it is locked. So I'm going to enable this. So pattern backed up. So send last locations. So everything is enabled. So it is enabled. It might be asking you to enter the user ID and password. So you need to do that. You need to create a Samsung account and you have to log in with that account. So once it's done, right, I'm going to verify that. So go to findmymobilesamsung.com. So you need to sign in with the same ID, user ID. So I'm going to sign in. Give your email ID and password. Click on the sign in. Even you can continue with Google account. You can see my Samsung Galaxy Note is here. So it is located here. I can give a ring. For example, I'm going to give ring. See, my mobile is ringing. I'm dismissing it. Also, right, you can lock using this feature. And you can take a backup. You can erase. You can unlock. Whatever you want, right, you can do that. So this is the way you can do the setups Find My Mobile on Samsung Galaxy mobiles. So in my next video, right, I'm going to tell one by one how to lock it, how to erase the data, how to take backup, how to retrieve the messages, how to unlock it. So everything I'm going to tell it on my next video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in the comments. Thank you. Bye.